So my name is Aaryaman and today I'll be showing you my turtle racer project. So first I'll be showing you the output. So this is the title, the turtle racer, and this is the racing track that's being created right now. And so this is the turtles being created, and then they take a spinning loop. And this is the countdown over here. And now the turtles are racing. And then it displays down here that red is the winner. And so let me tell you about the code now. So first in the code we imported all the modules, and the main module we had to use for this program is the turtle module, and without the turtle module we wouldn't be able to create this program. So over here we are setting the screen up, and we're setting the turtle up, and then over here we're creating the racing track with the help of the for loops, nested for loops. And then it's just moving around and creating the racetrack over here. And so this is the function to create the turtles, and it takes the color, the X position, the Y position, and the turtle name as parameters. And so what we're doing over here is we're calling the function up here, and so we're just initializing the turtles, and then we're calling the function, putting the names, the color, and then the X and Y position. So here what is happening is we're creating a countdown. So we're with the help of the time module, which is a function, the time module called time.sleep. So it sleeps for 1 second, and then it's 3 sleeps for 1 second, 2 sleeps for 1 second, 1 sleeps for 1 second, and then it goes, and then sleeps for 1 second, and then we move the turtles using the help of the for loop, and we move them in a random number from 1 to 10 with the help of the random module. And over here, after the for loop is done executing, we initialize 4 variables. So the first one finds the x coordinate of t2, and the second one finds the x coordinate of t3, and so on. And so over here it checks for the winner, and if the maximum of all of the 4 numbers is the t2 x coordinate, then it goes to this position. It changes the color of the turtle to red, and then it writes the red is the winner, and it does the same thing for the other turtles too. And then lastly we use the screen.main loop so the program can run and not crash. Thank you for watching.